How does your clown move? So we are building like clown character, right? So here it's about exploring your body from new. We start really basic, move on the heels, move on the toes, move from a body part. So they find into the movement of their particular clown.
And also the physical is really connected with the feeling. It's something really connected with the position of body.
Work with clowns within the field of physical theater. We also are inspired just from the basic of movement, which could be from the different elements. We have earth, fire, water, and air.
You are the earth coming from there, and you are the water coming from there.
How are these as a basic of movements and movements of the clown? So we also ask the participants to explore the different elements of these four and to see is there a piece of this in their clown character, and to see how this is in all humans, we could say, these elements.
And what happens when they meet, like if a fire and a water meets, of course it has to have an effect on each other. And we work also in relation, high and low status, who is the higher and who is the lower. Change it in a way it can be funny to try out different roles.
And this is very important when we work with clown. We want to know the relation between the clowns. Therefore, we work with status. We also work with makeup. So to think about what it is, what mood is my clown mainly in, is a ground mood, and we guide the participants to find how they can paint their face in this particular way they feel the most, and also to recognize the face, what the face is inviting for, in a way. Yeah. We took them to the beach also, where they met the other people, and to the city. What happens when you meet other people? Maybe when it's alone at home, it's really loud, but when it meets people, maybe it's shy.